and welcome to Lety Does Tech Badly, specifically the Pokéball Plus edition. So for those of you that don't know, Pokemon Let's Go has just been released, and they have started selling this Pokéball Joy-Con, basically, so that you can play the game using a Pokéball. And this Pokéball also connects to Pokemon Go, and it basically works the same as the Go connector. But yeah, this specifically isn't the Pokéball Plus. The Pokéball Plus is inside. This is a bundle with the Pokemon Let's Go Eevee game as well, but I am going to be playing Let's Go Pikachu, but Amazon was sold out of the ball itself. So I bought this bundle, and I'm going to be giving the Eevee one to my friend and just downloading the Pikachu game. So yeah, let me open this box up so I can show you the actual thing itself. And for that, I'm going to need, my knife. So I'm just gonna open this. Probably shouldn't stick the knife so deep, but I already did. There. Okay. Just one little thing to cut. That's not all that bad. Get out of there. Alright, so inside the box we got the Eevee game, which I'm just gonna set aside here, I guess. And I don't know, it's kind of hard to get. There we go. The Pokéball Plus. So let me set this box like here-ish. Okay, so this is the Pokéball Plus. Well, actually, this is the packaging, so more packaging. Other side too. And then we are good. Okay. Come on. Oh, wow. Packaging on this box is actually kind of thick. It's a little hard to get. So it looks like we got some papers, instructions and shit. I don't think we need that. And then oh, okay. We got a USB-C charging cable. And we got our Pokéball! Ah! So, let me move all this aside. There we go. This is going to be your Pokéball controller. Yes, ma'am? Okay. Bye. Hobo, what do you need? What is it? Here. Hey, here's some plastic. Go play with plastic. I'm a great parent. I love you. I trust you. Alright, so this here is going to be our Pokéball Plus. It's a little heavier than I was expecting. Well, kind of. I guess it's smaller than I was expecting. And for something this size, I was expecting it to be lighter, but it's pretty heavy, you know. I mean, it's not terribly heavy, but it is kind of heavy. And it comes with this strap that you can use as a, like, I don't know, necklace thing, or maybe this is to like connect it to your bag or something, but yeah, you can disconnect and oh, I'm not strong enough to put it back. Come on now. You're making me look a fool. Ah, okay, there. Don't do that. I guess it's just really strong. So if you want to connect it to anything, you have this option here. You can clip it onto stuff, and then otherwise you just slide this on, and then you slide this on, and then this is like the ring for your ring finger or your middle finger or something. I guess you're supposed to wear it like this so that you can like play with it like this and like throw it like that. But for me, it's kind of like, I don't know, it feels weird to have the string in the bottom part of my hand, so I feel like for me, I want to do like this kind of thing. I kind of like that better so that I can feel the full like smoothness of the Pokeball, and it'll still come back to me. But anyway, yeah, so this is just so it doesn't slide off your hand and you don't go throwing your, you know, Pokeball Plus. But basically, oh, I didn't show you guys the box. You can hear Pokemon cries. And this is a game controller. And then it says it works with Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, Pokemon Let's Go Eevee. And then it's also compatible with Pokemon Go. So yeah, also works as a Pokemon Go Plus. So you can use this for everything. But since it's so small, let me go ahead and do a little size comparison for you. So I'll be right back. All right, so this is the Pokeball Plus. This is another Pokeball I had. And this is a 2-scale Pokeball that I bought at Long Beach Comic Con. And stay. This is a Pikachu figure. And this is the Detective Pikachu amiibo. So, yeah, I hope that helps put things into perspective. It's smaller than the Detective Pikachu amiibo. So, yeah, it's pretty dang small. But, you know, I kind of like it. Because I think it's really neat. Because in the anime, it's like everyone carries these around in their pouches and on their belts and stuff. Can you imagine carrying around like 20 of these instead of these? But yeah, so that's going to be the size difference between everything. So it's pretty dang small. So in regards to specs of the actual Pokeball, since it came with this USB-C cable, you're going to open up the back right here. It's kind of snug because it's meant to be really like flush. Since it's a circle, it's kind of hard. So there you go. You open the back and that's how you charge it in right there. Now, as for battery life, Nintendo didn't specify how long it lasts. It only says that it takes 3 hours for it to do a full charge. And basically the battery life just goes off of what you use it for. So if you use it solely as like a Pokemon Go Plus and it's like active only every once in a while when you push the button, then it should last you about 3 hours as well. But if you are using it continuously as a Joy-Con inside of Pokemon Let's Go, then it has been, you know, estimated to have about 1.5 hours, you know, give or take. Basically continuous use. So full charge, 3 hours. Battery life may vary. Now, as for how you use it in the game, since there's only 2 buttons on this thing, basically it says that the way that this is going to work is you need to push this middle button for it to register as A, and for it to register as B on your Joy-Con, you're going to push this top button up here. To move around, it's just going to be this standard joystick. And then X and Y, since there are no other buttons on the Pokeball, what you're going to want to do is you're going to shake it left and right and up and down. I'm not too sure how well that works, honestly, because I haven't tested it out myself, but yeah, most of the controls are on here and you should just be able to play the game with only this. And speaking of this in the game, if you buy a Pokéball Plus, each of them comes with a Mew. So as far as I know, this is the only way that you can get Mew as of now. And you basically get Mew in the game. I'm not too sure how that works just because I'm going to play this. I'm going to use this in-game after that, so you'll see later. But yeah, each Pokeball accessory, you get a Mew. And in-game, it says that you can take your Pokemon from the game into the real world. So you can transfer one of your Pokemon from Pokemon Let's Go, put it in your Pokeball, and it'll register some steps, and you can take it with you, and if you hold it down, you can hear their cries and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. I'll figure out how that goes after. So speaking of the game itself, here I got the bundle that came with Pokemon Let's Go Eevee, but I am going to be playing Let's Go Pikachu. I am going to be opening this up, however, because basically I want to taste the cartridge. So for those of you that don't know, Nintendo put, a coating of some bitterness on their cartridges to discourage small children from sticking them in their mouths. And I have here my Zelda cartridge from when I bought Breath of the Wild, and I did an unboxing for that one, and I did taste it, and it was pretty dang bitter. But I've heard some news saying that since then Nintendo has turned down the bitterness because basically they had the thought of no one's gonna check. So now I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna check. So if you just give me 1 second here. Okay, so, and there it is. Oh, that's kind of cool. It comes with, let me see if I can remove the cartridge so I can show you better. It comes with this cool little art in the background. It's a map. Shows you Mewtwo down here at the bottom. And then you got some legendaries in the corner. That's cool. I like that. Anyway, so yeah, let's try this shit. So here I have both of my cartridges. This is Pokemon Let's Go Eevee, and this is Zelda. So I guess first, let me taste the Zelda one to remember. Oh, I swallowed it. Yeah. Hey everyone, Letty from literally 1 day later here. So, it turns out that the rest of the video that I filmed got corrupted or something because my audio just shot out and yeah, it got all sorts of fucked up. So, that was the last of the footage that I got there. Basically, what happened after is I licked the cartridge for Let's Go Eevee, and yes, I do agree that they did tone down the bitterness. Because, I don't know, Nintendo's no fun. They killjoys, all of them. But I did go on to live stream Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu using my Pokeball, and if you want to see all the in-game features and what I could do with this Pokeball, then go ahead and check out the first part of my live stream by clicking that card up there. And otherwise, that's basically all the footage I lost, thank God. So, that's all I got for you for now. If you'd like to go get your own Let's Go Pikachu or Eevee, they are available for purchase along with the ball. And yeah, that's basically it. So get out there, do all the stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye! Hey everyone, Lety here, just trying on another apron for my Autumn of Aprons try-on haul, November 2018. And if you like butternut squash steak with sage, then this is the apron for you. And you can go ahead and vote for it by checking out that video down there. Bye!